The Quezon City local government has temporarily shut down 14 lechon shops in La Loma after some pigs tested for African swine flu. Let's discuss that with the QC Business Permits and Licensing Department Head, Margie Mejia. Thank you for joining us, Margie.
Yeah, good morning and thank you for having me today.
All right, with the recent shutdown of these shops mentioned, how long do you think this will be in effect?
At the moment, I cannot give you any definite date that the temporary lifting of closure order can be... hello?
Yes, go ahead.
Go ahead. We can hear you po.
Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. At the moment, I cannot give you a definite date on how long the temporary closure order will be in effect because we're still disinfecting, in the process of disinfecting the establishments, and also we're still awaiting for the recommendation from the City Vet Department, City Veterinary Department, the City Health Department, whether or not we can already allow the establishments to resume operations.
Paano po na-detect yung African swine flu sa finished product po or nag-slaughter sila sa shops?
Dahil bare months po ngayon, the City Veterinary Department conducted routine inspections together with the Bureau of Animal Industry, and nakita po during the routine inspection, nag-testing po sila, and yun nga po, nung lumabas po yung testing, there are 4 that tested positive, and then we received a recommendation to immediately close down these establishments from the BAI, hence the issuance of a closure order. So
sa La Loma lang po ang may problema. How about yung others within Quezon City din? Kasi may mga ibang areas din po na may mga lechon na binibenta.
Yeah, the reason why we ordered the temporary shutdown is because we wanted to isolate yung pong ASF natin doon sa La Loma. And shutting them down effectively isolate ASF virus in that area. Kaya po yun. So, sa ibang man pong na-test na positive. So, dyan lang po sa La Loma.
But in overall po in QC, ano po ba ang pag-aaral natin tungkol po sa status ng ASF?
Safe naman po lahat ng karne sa buong Quezon City. At wala naman pong ibang na-test na positive kundi dyan lang po sa area na yan.
Are we also looking at other food establishments or pork-related businesses under monitoring po for ASF?
Yes, yun po ang ginagawa ngayon ng ating City Veterinary Department. To ensure lang po na wala pong ibang ASF virus na kumakalat po sa Quezon City.
Okay.
Lagi naman po yan, regular naman po yan ginagawa ng ating City Veterinary Department.
Okay. Sabi po ninyo, sabi po ng BAI, consumers are reminded to buy pork and pork products from accredited establishments and to follow standard food safety practices. Ngayon po, para po sa point of view po ng ating mga kapatid, paano po ba nila malalaman kung ang isang shop ay accredited?
Dapat po yung mga itinitindang karne ay meron pong tatak ng NMIS na dumaan dito sa National Meat Inspection Service. At syempre, dapat po rehistrado po sa city government. May kaukulang business permit po ito dahil kasama po sa ancillary requirement o permits na kinakailangan ng mga nagtitinda ng mga karne ay yung City Veterinary Clearance. So yun po, kasama po yun. So dapat po, bibili po kayo sa rehistrado sa city and at the same time, yung pong tingnan nyo po na yung mga karneng binibili nyo ay kung may tatak o may certification mula sa National Meat Inspection Service.
So kung wala pong tatak, kunyari sa mga palengke, kasi may mga small markets all along Quezon City, so pwede ko i-determine na hindi ito inspected?
Yes, opo, hindi po ito dumaan sa NMIS. Kaya po, maging mag-exercise po tayo ng due diligence pag bumibili po tayo ng karne. Siguraduhin po natin na may papel galing sa NMIS.
Alright, siguro po yung paalala na lang po ng mga dapat gawin ng mga hog raisers to make sure na talaga pong hindi po makontaminate yung other areas with ASF.
Yeah, paalala lang po na kapag po yung pong ating sa mga ating hog raisers na panatilihin pong malinis at keep the standards of sanitation dun po sa inyong mga places of operation, and at the same time po makipag-coordinate po lagi tayo sa Bureau of Animal and Industry.
All right, thank you, Margie Mejia, Quezon City
Thank you po.
Business Permits and Licensing Department Head.